Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to Crazy Maths. Today we are going to discuss one of the topic assumed mean method. Okay, I have taken one problem here. So that class intervals are that 200 to 250, 250 to 300, 300 to 350, 350 to 400, 400 to 450, and frequency also there 12, 14, 8, 6, 10. So first we have to know the formula of assumed mean method, that is x bar is equals to a plus sigma fi di by sigma fi. So it is the formula of assumed mean method. Okay. To find that we need the di value, and to find mean every method can contain mid value. How to find mid value? Which mid value we have to find? We have to find the mid value of class intervals. Class intervals mid value we have to find. So formula class intervals mid value formula lower boundary plus upper boundary by 2. So here first class interval mid value I am going to find 200 to plus 250, 450 by 2. So 450 by 2, if we did cancellation we can get it as a 225. So I am going to writing first mid value as a 225. Then next second, for 250 plus 300 is the 550, 550 by 2. So if we did cancellation, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 1 remainder, 2 sevens are 14, again 1 remainder, 2 fives are 10. So we can get it as a 275. Here I am going to write in second mid value is the 275. If we observe between these two, how much we got a difference? 225 minus 275. If we did, we got a difference is the 50. If we observe one more thing, what is the height of our class interval? 50. So height of the class interval and difference between the two consecutive class intervals is same. Then automatically what is the next mid value? Simple. If you observe, if we add it for 225, we can get, if you added 50 to the 225, we can get 275. Same as it is. For the 275, you can add the 50, we can get it as a 325. Again for the 325, we have to add the 50, we can get it as a 375. For the 375, if we added 50, we can get it as a 425. So now we should find di. Di is equals to, we know the formula xi minus a. So here xi minus a is nothing but assumed mean. From where we have to assume mean? From mid value of the class interval, any one we have to assume. Most of the teachers and most of the schools, they will say assume only the middle value of the a. So don't go in the Bhatti method. Assume is nothing but we have to imagine any value from xi. So we have to assume any one. So first I am going to assuming as the first value of the mid values, that is the 225. So a is the, I am going to taking 225. Then di is equals to xi minus a. Xi is nothing but 225 minus 225. I can get it as a first value as a 0. Then what about the second value? Xi is nothing but 275 minus 225. We can get it as a 50. Next, same as it is. Now 325 minus 225. How much we can get it as here also? Here also we can get it as 100. If we observe consecutively how much it is increasing, 0 to 50. 50 increased, 50 to 100. 50 increased. Again also it will increase 50. Then automatically we can get here 150, and here we can get it as a 200. At the final stage, we have to multiply fi and di. Okay. Now, so fi is the 12, di is the 0. 12 into 0, 0. Then next, 14 into 50. Let's do multiplication. Now, 4 zeros are 0, 4 fives are 20. Next, 1 zeros are 0, 1 fives are 5. So, what we can get now? 0, 0, 7. 700 is the FIDI, second FIDI. Then 8 into 100, automatically we can say it is the 800. What is the third one? 6 into 150. 150 into 6. 6 zeros are 0, 6 fives are 30, 0, 3 carry. 6 ones are 6 plus 3 is the 9. 900. Next, what is the 10 into 200? So how many zeros there? 1, 2, 3. 3 zeros I am keeping here. And then next 1 2s are 2. Simple. Now we should find total frequency and total FIDI value. I am going to finding total frequency and FIDI value. Let's see how much we can get total frequency and total FIDI value. So I'm going to find here total frequency. Add that total frequency, whatever they given, we are going to add. Now, if we add it, 6 plus 8 is the 14, 14 plus 4 is the 18, 18 plus 2 is the 20, 0, 2 carry. 2 plus 1 is the 3, 3 plus 1 is the 4, 4 plus 1 is the 5, 50 I got. Next, we are going to add in total FIDI value. What is the total FIDI value? We have to add total FIDI value. How much we are getting if we observe? See, 0, next 0, next we can take 9 plus 8 is the 17, 17 plus 1 is the 14. So 4, 2 carry. 2 plus 2 is the 4, 4400 I got here. Now we are substituting these values in our mean. Mean formula is what? Our assumed mean method formula. X bar is equals to A plus sigma Fi di by sigma Fi. It is our assumed mean method formula. So A is nothing but for us 225 plus sigma Fi di is nothing but 4400 by 50. So first cancellation do this one. 0, 0 is cancelled. Now 5 ones are 5, 5 eights are 40, 4 is remainder, again 5 eights are 40. So we can get here 225 plus 88. What is the 225 plus 88? A plus 5 is 13, 1 carry. A plus 2, 10, 11, 1 carry. 2 plus 1 is the 3, 313. So I have assumed A value as the first one, then I got the value mean is the 313. Now I can change the A value. So same as it is, we can get a mean is the 313 or not. Let's see, same problem, I will change the A value and again I will do. So up to now I assumed A value as the 225. Now I am going to assuming A value is anything of these mid values. So I am going to assuming A value as the 275. Second one I assumed. We can get same answer or not. Let's see. So first what we can get DI value xi minus A. Xi is nothing but 225 minus 275. We can get it as here minus 50. We can get it as a here minus 50. Then next what I can get 275 minus 275. How much we can get it here? 0. See here it is decreased minus 50 to 0. 50 decreased. Again here we will get 325 minus 275. How much we will get here? 50. Then next I can get 100. And finally we can get 150. So now we have to do Fi di value. What is the Fi di value? 12 into minus 50. 12 into minus 50 is nothing but 50 into 12 you can do. 2 zeros are 0, 2 fives are 10. 1 zeros are 0, 1 fives are 5. 0, 0, 6. So here we can get minus 600. We can get minus 600. 14 zeros are 0 we can get. Next 8 into 58 zeros are 0. 8 fives are 40. So we can get here 400. 6 into 100 we can get it as a 600 here. Next we can get 10 into 150. 150 into 10. So 0, 0, 0. 1 0 is 0. 1 5 is 5. 1 1 is 1. 0, 0, 5, 1. 1500 I got here. Now if we observe two values, one is the negative 600 is there, one more is the positive 600 is there. We can do it cancel direct in the table. See here minus 600 plus 600. It can get direct cancel. Then what will be left? Only 400 plus 1500. If we did the sum, what we can get here? 1900. We can get it as a sum. Now, so we got sigma Fi value and sigma FIDI value also, and we assumed A value also. Now these all values we are going to submitting in our formula. The formula is A plus sigma FIDI by sigma Fi. So in this, what is the A value? 275 plus sigma FIDI value is the 1900 by sigma Fi value is the 50. So 0 0 cancel, left 275 plus 190 by 5. So we have to know the value of 190 by 5. What is the 190 by 5? 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15. Next, 1 is 4 is remainder, 5 eights are 40. So we can get it here 275 plus 190 by 5 value is the 38. I am writing here 38. So now it can be written as 275 plus 38. We have to add a plus 5 is the 13 1 carry. So 1 plus 3 10, 11 1 carry, 2 plus 1 3, 313. See, if I assumed mean method, I changed a value. First I was taken a value is the 225, I got the answer 313 only. Then after I have taken a value is the 275, then also I got 313 only. So no need to take middle value only as a. We can assume anything from the mid values. Okay. Thank you for watching Crazy Masters.